Hello everyone and welcome in this video where we're going to be talking about Yespo subaccount from our workflow apps. This tool is going to help you automate actions directly from your workflow apps for your Yespo account. So let me show you how to set it up. Within your subaccount, come down here at the app marketplace. You search for the app Yespo subaccount, install, allow and install. There are two information required like your username and your API key. How do we get them? As you can notice, you can access the smart queue here. This is going to show you how to get all those information within your Yespo platform. But let's do it together. Let's switch to the platform. You go on the profile settings. This is the API that we already created, but for you, in order to create a new one, you will just have to come up here in my accounts and then API, new key, and you just follow the instructions, adding descriptions and full access to API and save. When you're done, and you just have to come here and copy your API key, your token. So let's copy the token and switch back to our sub account and paste it. Here, the username, we can use our profile. So let's GHL plugin and we save, confirm, complete installation and uninstall. Beautiful. This means that the tool is already connected to your Yespo account. So now you guys are able to execute actions directly from your workflow app for your Yespo account. So guys, if you ever have any question, guys, we have a support team who's very dedicated and available 24/7. Thank you for watching this video and welcome to GHL plugin.